Hey everybody, just gonna do a little drone footage today. It's November 15th, 2023. The cows are still out grazing up on top of the hill, hauling them water. We haven't had temperatures get too cold to where it's gonna freeze. This is where the cows were a few weeks ago. You can see I had to unroll a bale there for them one night when we got some snow. Coming back towards the cows now. I'm strip grazing them. We'll start them off near the water for a day and then probably be 3 to 4 days worth of grazing behind that. They're at the end of their end of the strip right now, so I got to move the water tank back over to my water wagon when they're done grazing here tomorrow. This is the first time that the red animals haven't seen the drone, so I'm actually surprised. They're pretty calm. The black animals took a couple times when I first got the drone to get used to it, but they're very calm. The 3 that are laying down, I got about a month ago. It's a mother and 2 daughters, and I was very surprised at how calm they stayed here. They did end up getting up. Like I said, it's November 15th, still out grazing. They're in still very good body condition. I think they're probably all at least 5, maybe 6 body condition score on what I think isn't really the greatest of grass. And they're doing good. That cow there, she's one of my favorites. She's like a pet. She loves to be scratched. So this is where they'll be going into tomorrow. You can see a lot of brown, but there's still a lot of green in here. I brush hogged this field early May, and so it's had all year to grow back. And as you can see, it really didn't grow all that much, but this is where they were a few days ago. It's what I'm taking it down to. It's pretty good. I mean, there's probably a little more there that they could take, but we don't want to take it down too much. There's about probably close to 20 acres here fenced in on my 2-strand. So this is some more of the grass that we have to graze yet in this paddock. Probably have another 1 week, probably another at least 2 weeks of grazing in this fenced-in area. This area that we're getting to now was grazed in probably late September, so this is all the regrowth. I'm not sure if I want to graze this again or not this year. I have to wait and see on that. I'm leaning towards not grazing it, but if I feel like I need to, I will. And then this is the permanent fenced-in area, doing some brush clearing here today. Ripped out a hedgerow that was just all a few dead ash trees and some privet bushes and bittersweet. There's some old fruit trees here. I ripped all the brush out around them, trying to help them survive a little longer. They're kind of in bad condition, but make the place look a little nicer. This is the cattle handling facility. And this is some more pasture that I will have to graze this year, weather dependent. Should be able to get to it. This is some more brush that I ripped out earlier this year along this road to the right. You can see where the brown area is. That's where I ripped it out. I had to repair that road as it got washed out this year, but we made it so that hopefully it should not get washed out. Added another little apron here earlier this week. It was a spot that was low and the water would run down into the road, causing it to wash out, so I built it up so that the water would kind of get diverted to the left there, and so it wouldn't be muddy when you drive in. So this is some more stockpiled forage I have. It looks brown, but we'll eat it up. If they want to eat, they're gonna have to eat it. And now we're coming back to the cows to get another final look at them. This one that you see right here is, I think that's 459. Yes, it is. She's probably one of my favorite South Poles. Very good condition, probably the smallest frame-wise. She's always, seems like she's always got good gut fill, even when some of the cows are hungry and their rumen doesn't look full. She's always full, so I like her. But they're all doing very well. All got their winter hair coats on and ready for the winter. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.